Interesting. But how do you, on a like almost like a slightly different note, how do you drive the room? How do you keep up the momentum? Because that's kind of like my personal, it's challenging. It's because you also need to maintain your own personal energy levels. Because design thinking workshops could last throughout a week if you have stakeholders who have only maybe half an hour a day. Maybe you can't even do it in one day, so you spread it, and then it becomes like a marathon of sprints, I guess.
That's the basic idea behind the billboard. The billboard is the visualization of what you have done. So if you have workshops that go over several days, and maybe have different actors, it's like people are totally disoriented. Now if you have this huge poster on the wall, and sometimes like I had a workshop where we had like 4 posters, each 5 meters, meaning 20 meters. So on the first day, it's like, yay, we finished like the first poster. The second day, the people come in, what are you doing? Or you just walk and show, this is what we did on the first day. And my expectation is, after the day, we're going to be finished here. But you can cut it off at any point, and when people come back, you can just focus them and say, this is what we've done. It's like building a house, and you have 4 walls, and now we have to work on this wall. And it's so very obviously because this is the empty part of the poster, and that's the way I drive the people. In a normal one-day workshop, it's like we need to be finished at 4:30 because people are going to the airport or bringing the children to school, and that's always my driving argument. So if people start having some kind of internal discussion, sorry guys and girls and ladies, we need to finish that. And there's only one way. Nice discussion, but let's go on to the next point, and actually never anyone will reject. You have to just say, okay, no problem.